How to fix messenger call not receiving problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video where I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if your messenger call is having trouble. So if you're trying to call someone if someone is calling you but you're not able to receive call or call someone, then I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that. First thing first, you want to head over to your Messenger's app info. So long press on the app and then tap on this eye icon to head over to your app info. Now from here tap on permissions, and as you can see the phone permission is not allowed. So if you have updated your app recently or cleared its data, then you will have to allow the phone access permission because it might have been disabled. So make sure that this permission is allowed along with the contacts and location and microphone permission as well. And once you do that, what you can do is head over to your storage and then clear cache because these junk files might have also been causing trouble. And finally, head over to battery to make sure that it's on unrestricted or optimized, because sometimes if you restrict the battery uses, then the app won't be able to function on the background or it won't be able to make calls. And then finally, head over to your Play Store to check if your app is up to date. So tap on the search bar to search for Messenger and just make sure that your app is up to date. If you see an update option available right here instead of open, make sure to update the app and it will fix your problem. Then just give your phone a quick restart and then you should be good to go. If you found the video helpful, like the video and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.